Welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. Today, we're going to, this is totally something totally different. We normally don't, carry, commentary like this one. But this one is totally different. Because what has been happening, a lot, the Jamaicans who are wanted in Jamaica, they have been taken Central America and then through Mexico, and then they come over the United States border. Yes, or they will take the boat from Bahamas and end up in Fort Lauderdale, because that's how they have been doing it. And then now, guess what? These same men, who are wanted men in Jamaica, they are asking for asylum in America, and you would never guess what they're telling the American official why they are seeking asylum. They're telling the American government at Homeland Security that they have to run from them life because they are gays. Yes, these men say they are gays and Jamaicans want to kill them, so they are seeking asylum. And so once them say that, once them say boy them are gay, yes, even some of these men who are wanted in Jamaica for murder and other crimes, and they came to America. Some of them came, they travel with passport that's not in their name, but they have all the features and everything to show that the physical thing that it's them, but biologically and everything it's not them. The name is not their name. But all criminal, they know to adjust and use new name. So we're just giving you a preview because we're coming out with the listener of these Jamaicans. So look, Jamaicans who live especially in the cities in America, you better watch out for these people, because these are wanted men. These are men who are wanted in Jamaica. Just like J-Man, who jumped his murder case in Jamaica and come to America. And he came to America and killed 2 people. So I want you people to look at these people, because I'll be going in depth about these people later. So I'm just giving you a peek of what to come, because these are men, they're telling the Americans that they are gay. Yes. And that they, and guess what? Boy, some of them will ask them, if they want, alright, we say if you're really gay, and them sample it, So you understand. So I want to look on these guys, because you understand, they're on parole. But boy, the man them say them are gay, and I lie, the man are not gay, nothing. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. You understand? I'm going to show you them face. You're going to see them. You understand? But comprehensive, we're going to do a comprehensive video about them, with them names and where they're from and them crimes. Because criminals are supposed to feel comfortable nowhere, America now is like the Cuba of the 1980s. In the 1980s, Cuba is the place that the wanted men them run with. Now it's America. Yeah, it's them run to America now. Them feel so comfortable. That's the same so-called bad man. Say boy, I'm about him a gay. You understand? We don't want to use it. You understand? Him want to say him a big gay. Yeah. And and man them walk with all them little bag. Yeah, I would say a whole heap of man in Jamaica walk with a little bag, But hey, you see these shatters, them know the little bag for the little bag them it's to carry the gay them paraphernalia, That's anytime them have problem, them can't just reach in a little bag and you know what I'm saying? And get them thing and for sort out round there. You understand? Yeah. The round hole, them have them things. So that's why them wear the liquor bag and them thing there, round them shoulder. So when I saw the Jamaican men, them wearing these liquor bags, and I'm like, I wonder if these guys know what these liquor bags are. These liquor bags are some gay bags, Yeah, that's how the guy them carry them thing, You understand them, them paraphernalia. For make certain say, in the spill and all them thing there. You understand it being taken care of. So I say, if a big man at Jamaica, I say, wait. I wonder if them know what these little bags is all about. But hey, to each his own, because everything to them are style. You understand, man? Dress up in a slippers and them a go out and them thing they like girl and yeah, you know what I'm saying? But not funny and them thing there, but guess what? I want you to look at these guys. So if you see them, you understand, who's not on parole or who on parole, you just let them American, they make the police them in your district know, or where you live or your precinct, that these men, they are wanted in Jamaica by the Jamaican police. I don't know if the Jamaican police gazette them, but because them in the country illegal, they will deport them. Because we don't want them up here with us, you know. We don't want no criminal in America with it. Make them stay at Jamaica and kill them one another, you understand? Yeah, that's why we left down there, because we don't want nothing to do with them. You understand? Yeah, man, so I want you to look at these guys, alright? Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.